Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about roast lamb meal. I've got the roast lamb here, the carrots, vegetables. Well, carrot is a vegetable, right? And I got chips and gravy on the side. I just wanted to add these butterfly cakes so I can have it as a dessert sort of thing. How's everyone doing? Look at my t-shirt guys, Samoa t-shirt. Because I am a Samoan. Anyway guys, let's chop, get to it, hey? So, what you been doing? With the gravy, yeah. Yeah, man, yeah, roast lamb, back in New Zealand, back in the good old 70s. When it comes to Sunday, it's like people have roast lamb and roast chicken, whatever, roast. But us Poly people, we still have our own food. Yeah, it is a roast though. Male supo, male kalo, male fa'i, male, you know, our lovely food, our Poly food. Hey guys. What have you got to eat there? I love, no, it's just my husband. Sometimes I don't like to make lamb roast because then it goes through all the carving and everything. But if there's a place down at the shops that you can get you a roast lamb meal, you go and get you one. Yeah, you go ahead and you puli out, puli out kaman lumakwat. Man, yeah. See the pumpkin? It's not so orange, it's like it's yellow. But still tastes nice. You know, my daughters, they're getting ready to go to the movies. Don't know what they're going to see. Their older sister's taking them out to the movies, guys. Well, got myself one t-shirt. I saw the shop selling it. I thought, really? Okay. This is a white sauce and lamb, guys. I know someone asked me to make some more cooking. I know, I've just been such a busy young lady. Be a young lassie, me up. You know what, guys? I really got to get me better lighting, eh? Because I look pretty dark. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Here's my chips and gravy. There's this place in Otara, right? Yeah, I'm not saying Otara. I used to stay in Otara. Well, it was in the border of Otara and Manukau. And then it's Wiri or East Tamaki, because that's why I guess it was called Boundary Road. Anyway, there's this place in Otara. Chinese, Asians, they selfie. I don't know what nationality it is, but it's Asians, right? And they have like roast pork carvings. Beautiful. But listen guys, you don't have to go there if you don't want to go to Ottawa. But that's the best roast pork that I've had. The crackle is delicious. They give you so much. It was about $11.50, but it was a lot of food. And I said to my sister, wow, this is so worth it. Yes, when we were in Auckland about 3 years ago for a visit. So I thought I'd just mention that, that's all. Okay. It's pretty cold here now in Sydney. Pretty cold. I was watching Victoria and Chelsea, and I'll tell you what, they've had the Chelsea's mum over. And they've been here for a while in Australia, and I'll tell you what, Victoria is so good. I'll tell you what guys, if you're lucky enough to, you know, when you get older and you have, you know, like daughter-in-laws and son-in-laws, you'll be so fortunate from the loving generosity of God that He should allow a good person to walk into your children's life, right? Because my mum, my parents, I tell you what, my parents were always good, right? With our partners. My dad's only issue with people, with men who come into our life, they got to be hardworking and they got to be clean, you know, because my dad was like that, very tidy. They must like work, you know. He doesn't like a lazy partner for any of us. No, we don't. Anyway, but if you happen to get someone like Victoria, and Chelsea and Victoria, I mean, sorry, she is so loving towards her in-laws. And to me, guys, that is an A+. You know, because my mum would say, you know, you got to treat people that come into, you know, your kid's life, because they become a bonus to the family, not a burden to the family, a bonus. See, that's how my mum saw it. And that's why she always treated our partners good. Yeah, she was always good. Even when they mistreat us, no, don't say that part. Come it out. Yeah, so guys, if you got an in-law that's good like Victoria, check your other life. Because I tell you what, okay, if they're good people, then your own child will be, you know, in good hands. And hopefully that your children do the same back to, you know, to their partners' families. Yeah. You know, it's got to be equal. This the roast lamb, it's nice. But I think that the singer only gave me 3 slices. 3 slices, they mixed it up like, it looks like 7 slices, but no, it looks like 3 slices only. Can they see how big I am? I need 5. Anyway, she's right. I need to diet. Diet. Oh, these diet things. I think if you just be healthy, yeah. This roast lamb, so beautiful. my daughter's been asking me to make the corn silver side. And I think, hello, how old are you? You can do your own. Sharon Lee. Looks like I've got sunglasses on now. But no, it's my prescription glasses. When the light shines on me, it darkens it. Anyway, guys, I had enough of this. So I'll put it over there. Excuse you. Ta-da! Now, these are called butterfly. The way I said butterfly. Excuse you. Who's that mocking me? Who? Anyway, guys, oh my hair, it's just funky today. I washed it and I didn't put any like mousse. I like to put mousse so it sort of like steadies it up. But anyway, I just combed it. Looking all pretty. Then I went to shop. Then I went kapow, and then, you know, yeah. Anyway, getting back to the food, because I've got shouts out today, guys. Right. Pardon me, but, oh, that burp. Okay, look at that fresh cream. And, you know, when I was a little girl, and then my mum would give me like $1 way back in my years when I used to go to school, right? You know, just like 21 years ago when I was a little child, okay, my mum, right, she would give me $1. And that $1 would buy my lunch. And I would go to the bakery and buy me a nice big Sally Lump. If you're from New Zealand, you understand. And back in those days, they were about 20 cents. Yeah, back in those days, they were 20 cents. And every now and then, I'll treat myself to a nice, you know, butterfly cake. Okay, you have the first bite. There we go. Oh, you know what? You know what? Well, that was a fail. Oh, I just realised I don't have a drink. Oh, okay, never mind. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Right. You know my t-shirt, guys? Yeah. Cái mấy à? Cái mấy này à? Mà ấy à? Sao? Uma không? Ấy ba uma mà t-shirt đấy. Alright. Ragazzi, one more. Numero uno. Eta tassi. Any, many, money, mo. Yeah. Have another bite, guys. Can't eat these lovely things by my lonesome. Now take two. Yeah. Oh, did you see that? That was like a Aifa Palangi. No, Papalangi. You know, I crack up when people go, "Are you Palangi?" No, it's not Palangi, it's Palangi. It's not Palangi. Anyway, and my daughter comes over into the kitchen when I was having a cup of coffee. She goes, "Mom, I'm playing the game with this person and they're saying that I'm not saying it properly." And I go, "What?" And she goes, "They said to say it properly because I say Samoan and they said no, it's Samoan." And I said, "Yeah, you're wrong. It's not Samoan. It's Samoan." Did I get it right? Did I get it right? Say it. Let me know. I said to her, it's more in. N, like you got an N at the end. Because it has got an N at the end. Ah, yeah. N in the end. Yeah. So I said, it's not Samoan, baby. It's Samoan. Oh, I'm a teacher today, guys. Oh. I hope she gets it right. Oh, it's funny when she comes home. Mum, what does beep? I swear a word. And I go, who said that? I could, this boy was calling this other boy. I said, don't listen to what those other boys. I thought they were calling you that. Oh my gosh. I said, don't worry, baby. Don't watch. Don't listen. Don't fake a colour. You know, drop eardrops. No, eardrops. What is it called? Ear fake a colour. Don't ear fake a colour to conversations that are not concerning you. Yeah, so I said, baby, I thought that person was saying it to you. Can you just let people talk and do their own thing and you just go to hang out with your friends? What are you doing listening to boys anyway? Be talk to the titi e lo tama. Fie loa pe ka kore kiki e mai I. I'm talking too much, but I know what shout out. Shout out, guys. I get me some wipes. I could eat one more. Should I eat one more? Okay. You guys twisted my arm. I will have one more. Oh, these are so good. These are so good. When you buy them at the bakery, they should be super fresh. These are from Woolies, and they're okay. They're okay. I'm not saying they're super fresh, but they're super okay for me right now. Okay? Oh. I was talking to my cousin's wife the other day. They were looking for the blackest shop where I buy my food. And I didn't know that she didn't know. Oh, how about and I didn't know that they didn't know about this blacket place. If you live locally, should be by now. But it goes to show, some people still don't know certain places, you know. But I'm so happy that I told her. Now they can go there and get them some food. It's at Steve, guys. If you're local in Maundy County, it's at Steve's petrol station. Inside the petrol station, that's where the good food is. And there's even a shop connecting that, you know, just out. And you can, someone's in a, go dog, get him. Not even our dog. Anyway, what am I saying? Yeah, there's another island shop there, so go and support them. And there's another one called Norm. They're in the Bidwell area. Go support. Hey, if you want some island food, yeah, you go and get you some. Go. Wait a while. Cheers, guys. See, no drink to cheers. Young heart, whip up. I can't call me up. So, next time I talk to her, her name is Rosita. Next time I talk to her, I'll go to get you some food. You know, I tell you what, I just met them, but I just tell you, it feels like I've known them for so long. They're such nice people. My cousin Leo and his family, and his brothers, and their kids and that. Such a lovely, I love meeting them, you guys. It's like, man. Anyway, let's eat up. We've got to shout up, man. My camera's going to die. could eat this, but I went. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright. Okay. Excuse me. Pak benda boleh ah. Ya, sudah wasik suruh lu nak lawai dua. Ya, faktai lava. Yeah. Okay. So lu let api shout out. Yeah, so do eat. So eat. Yeah, napo eat. Oh, yeah, flapping up. Ali messy lah. I thought, okay, I've only got 4, and then I saw more, and I went out and finished my api. And I saw others that I need to, but I'll just do this for now because it's a whole page. Guys, I'm going to say your name, put it down there, and give you a shout out that you deserve because you took the time to stop over and watch my video and leave a comment and stuff like that. And anyway, tell a friend about my videos, okay guys? And so they can come and watch and, you know, we can say, hello, how are you? See, like that. Anyway, here we go. Hello to everyone. Before I shout you guys out, I want to say thank you so much. So I'm going to start reading. Thank you so much, okay? God bless you all. So I'm going to say the first name and get over and done with. Wailua. I talk too much. Anyway, it's Lono Siva Laupola. And it's Wasitu Ngasu Real Love XO Daily, nice name. Daily Halatau. Oh, I hope I said it right, sorry. And Joan Leilua. Miss Joe Foso. Did I say it right? Miss Joe Foso. Okay. And Shirley and Nelson. Hello to you. You went and started finding all my videos so you can watch. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. And then one winner. That person said hello a couple of times. And then Kiwi Girl New Zealand. Thank you very much. Kia ora. And Chris Jones. It's not unusual what to be loved by anyone. You know when you see Jones, it's a for an old bird like me, yeah. Just when I hear Jones, like Tom Jones, you know. Shh, go that's what. Anyway, last but not least, guys, I found my husband's family on YouTube. They got this little YouTube starting, and I just want you guys just to go and show some love, subscribe to any of these people that has a channel. Show some love, guys, and say hello. And yeah, it's my husband's first cousin's kids. I think this is their channel, and it's called it's A Little Cookie. Okay, the name's gonna be down there. But guys, so some love. Yeah, sorry. So show fire up, man. Go and show them some love, guys. Any of these guys has got a YouTube channel, the names that I've put down, show them some love, say hello. And anyway, this a little cookie, well, they like singing, right? They're Cook Islanders, guys. Show some love for the cookies. Yeah. Now, I saw a man singing, and I thought, oh, this looks like my husband's cousin. So I showed him, and he watched, and he dropped a tear. You know, he was watching it. It was, yeah, because his cousin, and unfortunately, he's no longer with us. But I tell you what, I'm so happy that he was there at the family meeting that they had last year, and they said hello to one another, caught up for a little chat. So good. So I think it's heartwarming when you know that, you know, you got that final goodbye bro, goodbye sis, you know, stuff like that. So good. Even my daughter got to meet him like that. My daughter gets like this. Oh, he had an angry look, but he's really nice. You know how, you know, some people got their exterior is like angry or something, but inside it's not how they are. They're very, very softy. Yeah. Okay. Blabbing not too much. Okay, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, guys. You guys all take care. I hope you guys get beautiful food to eat. Don't forget, take care of your family, cross the road properly, and take care of your parents. And most of all, give thanks to the good Lord, okay? Every day. It doesn't take long to thank Him. Every day, guys. Fast before. Look at my t-shirt. Okay, and you know what says down the bottom? Says, nah, that's a bit biased. That's a bit biased only because I'm a Samoan. But hey, we're all the same. God made us all the same, guys. Take care. Ka kite, to a whāsoi fua.